21. This is Sri Radharani is the topic. We're discussing verses from Vilap Kusumanjali by Raghunath Das Goswami and the commentaries of Srila Anantadas Babaji Maharaj. And Ananda Gopal Goswami also adds some things here and there. So we're continuing with Pratak Seva, serving Radharani in Barsana Nandagram. Barsana Yavat. Now she's in Yavat. This time of the year she's in Yavat. Kartik, she's in Yavat. So this is a part of the, we're discussing the bathing of Radharani, what Radharani does in the morning, and how the manjaris bathe her and take care of her. Verse 20. Prakshalya pada kamalam Kritadanta kashtam snadartamanya sadane vavitim nivishtam avyaja gandita tartartar iha tailapure prodvartayishyati kada kim u kinkarinam. Kinkari, he's saying, when will I be your kinkari? When will I be your maidservant and do this service? So the translation, verse 20, Vilap Kusumanjali. When may this maidservant, this kinkari, after washing your lotus feet, brush your teeth with a twig. Twig means a stick, small stick from a tree. Seat you in the bathroom, the snangar, and then anoint your body with fragrant oils and then massage you. So what he's saying, when will I brush your teeth? When will I rub oil on your body and massage you? That's basic sevas.